Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to show you a demo today using our brand new product here at ENailCouture.com, Celestial Moon No Wipe Chrome Gel. So this is a color. We have it in black and white, and we also have it in clear. And these gels make your chromes stick like crazy. You can do designs, you can do a solid color, you can layer them. The possibilities are limitless, and they're so fast and easy to use. And I'm going to do a design today, something fun, fast, easy, and cute. So I have a 5XL stiletto here glued on. And I'm going to take my Honey Ombre Gel palette. I'm going to use the pastel one. I'm just going to take a little bit of a really pretty, let's do this one, just a smidge. And I'm just going to create kind of like a pink ombre base. So that way I can do the design using the Celestial Moon in white and kind of do like an abstract kind of like French gradient kind of moment, okay? And it's going to be like kind of a little isolated, just something really fast, fun, but to the point, and of course beautiful. So I'm taking my Honey Ombre Gel tool and sponge, creating a gradient effect. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and bake that for 15 seconds and then we'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm going to use Celestial Moon in white, and I'm just going to literally put it in random places. No right or wrong. Just wherever I want my chrome to stick. And the chrome I'm going to be using today is the glazed donut chrome. Okay. I'm going to take my Candy Vegan liner brush. I'm going to touch it up a little bit. You can do any design you want. Animal prints, whole nail. It's up to you, my love. Remember, you're in control. You can connect it if you want to. You can make the lines as thin or as thick as you need, as you desire. Beautiful. And we're going to bake this for 30 seconds inside the Salon Pro Max lamp. Okay, beautiful. So now we're going to take a glazed donut chrome, which is one of the best-selling chromes here at ENailCouture.com because it just turns everything magical and ethereal and beautiful. And a little goes a long way with this, okay? So just a really nice gentle tap. And then go in. Look at that, you guys. Wow. Isn't that magical and ethereal looking? Obsessed. Remove any excess. And then seal with your favorite ENailCouture.com top coat. Let's put this away. So let's get our top coat ready. So I always have two bottles of top coat. I have one that I use for chromes and glitters. I'm going to use Wonder Gel, and we're going to seal the whole nail with a little bit of Wonder Gel. Nice thin coat over the whole nail surface, and we're going to cure it for 1 whole minute. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. It's giving me Victoria's Secret angel wing vibes. So let's go ahead and cure it for 1 minute and we'll be right back. So after 1 minute, we're going to let the nail finish the polymerization process. Hit it with a little bit of cotton candy and cuticle oil. And there we have it, my lovelies. A beautiful Victoria's Secret angel wing nail. Look at that. Stunning. Oh my god, it looks like silk chiffon. Obsessed. So what are you waiting for, my love? Visit ENailCouture.com and check out the best vegan, hypoallergenic, HEMA-free, TPO-free nail products made here in America. And we'll see you guys in the next one.